Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode. This time, there's no lesson, no silly traffic blunders, and no funny moments. Today, we're diving into the serious side of the road, the harsh consequences you might face if you ignore traffic rules and fail to stay aware of your surroundings. So, buckle up, stay sharp, and get ready. This ride is about to get intense. This is what you'd call a classic rear-end chain reaction. As you can see, the dark blue Chevrolet is clearly facing a red light. However, the vehicles coming from the right assume it's their turn to go. And without checking properly, they pull onto the road, triggering a dangerous sequence. This car in the right lane seems to be going a bit faster than it should. Otherwise, it might have spotted the parked vehicle in time. But speed isn't the real issue here. The real danger lies in the parked car itself. It's sitting idle in an active lane, turning a normal drive into a potential disaster.
Oh God! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Fuck! Shit!
But it is crazy. Like, he had one hand on the... What the... Oh my God!
What happened, babe?
Oh my God, what did he do? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Babe,
I got into an accident. Oh my God. Oh my God,
where are
babe.
you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
Reversed into you?
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, fuck, I'm shaking.
My God. Babe.
Yeah.
Just stay there. Oh my God.
Fuck, oh my God.
Where on the Brown Parkway?
Oh, holy shit. You know, after that turn?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my
Babe,
God.
it's okay.
Alright, hold on.
Just...
Hold on, okay? Fuck. Hold on, babe. Oh, fuck. Wait.
When we take a closer look at this strange incident, some revealing details start to pop up. First off, it's clear this was a planned setup from the very beginning. One person throws themselves in front of a car, there's a slight contact from behind, and boom, a perfect insurance scam trap. But here's the twist. Later in the footage, you can clearly see the man noticing the dash cam and warning his accomplices. Having a camera in your vehicle can be your best defense against scams like these. Seeing all those trucks, you probably expected this crash to end badly. But honestly, they got off pretty easy. What's truly shocking is that there are still drivers out there changing lanes without checking their mirrors. In traffic that heavy, that's not just careless, it's asking for trouble. At first glance, it's easy to blame the white car for this crash. But let me show you why that's not the whole story. The red car should have noticed the traffic light turning yellow before even entering the intersection. Failing to do so, the driver assumes they still have the right of way and charges ahead without slowing down. Meanwhile, the white car likely sees the same yellow light at the same moment, and without waiting for green, jumps into the intersection as well. It's a split-second misunderstanding, but both drivers share the blame.
It's overrated. Anything that you see everybody pushing,
Alright folks, that wraps up today's episode. We hope this breakdown gave you a clear picture of how even small mistakes and momentary distractions can lead to serious consequences. If you want more content like this, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for future episodes. Remember, knowing the rules and being a good driver isn't always enough. Traffic isn't a one-player simulator. Even if you drive cautiously and follow every rule, external factors, careless, reckless drivers, can still turn the road into a real danger zone. Stay alert, stay safe.